When Fred Doornbos first opened his doors in 1927, his goal was to provide the highest quality craftsmanship and service to his customers. Fred's philosophy was if he only performed quality work, referrals would keep him busy, and he was right. One job led to another, and the company grew to become a leader in the industry. Today, Doornbos' factory-authorized NATE and EPA-certified professionals are ready to serve you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We use the best technology in service, installation, and testing, while always working within your budget. Our quality standards are high, and our installers adhere to a long tradition of fine workmanship. All our experts are trained to keep your family safe by being sure equipment and tools are sanitized and by minimizing contact through no-touch services. We take great pride in every job we do and strive to maintain our long tradition of excellence and professionalism. All our Doornbos team members are knowledgeable, hardworking, good people, focused on doing a superior job through ongoing training that keeps us at the top of our industry. With nearly 100 years of experience in serving you, Doornbos Heating and Air Conditioning is here to stay. Your complete satisfaction is our goal and our guarantee.